Hello everyone, let's solve problem number 8 in the topic pressure line or thrust line. Let's read the question. A rectangular concrete beam 250 mm wide and 300 mm deep. So the dimensions of rectangular cross section is 250 mm wide and 300 mm deep is pressed by a force of 540 kilonewton at the concentric eccentricity of 60 mm. So the beam type is eccentric pre-stressing. So with the pre-stressing force magnitude is 540 kilonewton. 540 kilonewton P value. The eccentricity is 60 mm. The beam supports a concentrated load of 68 kilonewton at the center of the span 3 meters. So the beam length is 3 meters. The point load on the top of the beam 68 kilonewton. Determine the location of the pressure line at the center at quarter span and support sections of the beam. Neglect the self weight of the beam. So we need to calculate the position of the pressure line at center, at quarter span, at support sections. Now pre-stressing force P is equal to 540 kilonewton and cross sectional area of the rectangular cross section 250 into 300 B into D equal to 75 into 10 power 3 mm square. Eccentricity E is equal to 60 mm and sectional modulus Z is equal to BD square by 6 equal to 250 into 300 square divided by 6. B is 250, D is 300 equal to 375 into 10 power 4 mm cube. Let's calculate the moment due to live load. So moment due to live load equal to, we know the formula, W L by 4. This is the condition for simply supported beam when it is subjected with a point load at the center. The bending moment at the center of the span is W L by 4. W is the 68 kilonewton and length of the span is 3 meters divided by 4 equal to 51 kilonewton meter. Let's calculate the moment at the quarter span. This is at center span. Let's moment due to live load at quarter span. The formula is W L by 8. So 68 into 3 divided by 8 equal to 25.5 kilonewton meter. Now let's calculate the stresses due to live load at center span. Moment due to live load, stress due to live load is M by Z equal to 51 into 10 power 6 divided by 375 into 10 power 4 equal to 13.6 Newton per mm square. So this is the stress due to live load movement. This is the stress due to live load movement at center span. At quarter span, the stress, the bending stress is M by Z is equal to 25.5 into 10 power 6 divided by 375 into 10 power 4. So that is equal to 6.8 Newton per mm square. So this is the bending stress due to live load at quarter span. Now let's draw the resultant diagrams. The position of the resultant thrust from the top fiber of the beam is obtained. at center span, resultant forces. So at center span, this is at the top 7.2 minus 8.6 plus 13.6. So 13.6 is the stress due to live load and 8.6 is the stress due to pre-stressing force. 7.2 is the stress due to direct stress. So this is P by A minus PE by Z plus M by Z. At the bottom 7.2 plus 8.6 minus 13.6 equal to 2.2. This one is equal to 12.2. The total stress is subjected at centroid of the section. So let's make it as y1. Now let's draw at quarter section. So quarter section. Here the stresses are 5.4 Newton per mm square at the top and at the bottom 9 Newton per mm square. The centroid point is at y2 from the top. So total stress is concentrated at centroidal point. Let's calculate y1 and y2. So to calculate y1, 300 into 2.2 into 150. So this one is as a one rectangle. Now the another one is triangle. So half into base into height into centroidal distance divided by total area, that is 115 mm. So now y2, so 5.4 into 300 into 150 plus another one is triangle, that is half into base into height into centroidal distance divided by total area, that is equal to 162 mm. So y1 is the 115 mm and y2 is the 162 mm. Let's draw the location of pressure line. So this is the beam, this is the neutral axis, this is the pre-stressing member with pre-stressing force P. So the shifted pressure line is this one. So we need to calculate this distance now, and at quarter spans these distances. Total span is 3 meters. At center of the span, y1 distance is equal to 115. So this distance is 115. So total distance is 150, right? So this E dash is equal to 150 minus 115. So that is equal to 35. So this is 35 mm. Likewise at quarter span, from the top it is 162 mm. Okay. It means from the top to our pressure line 162. So 162 minus 150 is equal to 12 mm. So this distance is 12 mm. This distance is 12 mm. That's it. Thank you for listening.